Oh no, I can't wash this one. This one has no windows. They bring us another one. Garagistic has done it again. They brought us a beautiful E36. I believe this is another one of their track toys. And it has a previous wrap on here that needs some attention for sure.
I kind of like it.
It looks like a fire or something. If I had to take a wild guess. The hood's a little, I don't think hoods are supposed to do that.
That's for aerodynamic purposes.
But anyways, we're gonna help them out again. We're gonna be removing this entire wrap. We have to get all of the glue off from the previous wrap. We're going to oh no, I can't wash this one. This one has no windows. This will be cool though when it's done. We'll show you guys the whole process of this one too. It's a little bit different than the E30 video that we did as far as installation goes, but all the prep will be the same, so we won't bore you guys with all that. We'll just kind of roughly show you. Let's get cracking on this bad boy. So we just finished taking this side off. It was pretty difficult to say the least. Some areas of the paint are missing, but that comes with having older paint and also having resprayed panels and stuff like that. Typically sometimes happens with wrap when you pull it off, and especially if the wrap's been on there for years. It's been kind of, I mean, this is a race car, so you can imagine how it's taken care of. But let me just show you some of the areas. Like right here is like missing paint. Got right here missing paint. Probably can't see it that well, but all along this edge, like all these edges kind of paint peeled up. Whoa, camera's kind of doing some weird stuff right now. Give me a sec. Yeah. Sorry for the shadow, let me get out the way. All right, yeah, like right here is missing paint. Right there is a big spot, right there, all up under there. Quite a lot of areas. Gonna have to kind of work with it the best that I can. All right, guys, what up? Quick update for you. I have my buddy Dayton over here. What up? He helps us with stuff when we get a little crazy. He's pretty good at what he does, I would say.
I can do some stuff. I can do some things.
So we just finished prepping this whole thing. We had to sand all these areas smooth. And then once we did that, we had an adhesive remover, the entire thing. There's adhesive all over it, huh?
Oh my God, every edge of every panel, inside where every trim piece would be, all sorts of adhesive.
Every nook, cranny, and place that you can't see, there was adhesive. Sucks.
Yeah, it was really fun. Super good time.
Yeah, and then after that, we just ran a clay bar over the whole thing just to make it nice and smooth. And then we alcohol prepped it. And now we're ready to put the side on, finally. So after a couple hours of hard work, yeah, we're gonna slap this side on right now.
In fact, we could put the side on just as quick as it took us to clean the car.
Yeah, exactly.
So
yeah, we're gonna jump to that right now. just finished this thing up. Looks amazing. Overcome a couple challenges as far as like the paint condition on this thing, but we made it work. I still have to throw on some decals on top of this. The doors have some decals. It's pretty much all wrapped up. Oh, and then the rear wing's missing. Still gotta install the rear wing, but we've wrapped all the pieces for it. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.